I got kicked out of my house because Creeper couldn't pay his bills. Really, Creeper? Pay your bills. Why should I get kicked out of my house because Creeper couldn't pay his bills?
You've only been living here for a day. I mean, we continued last episode like 5 minutes ago. You shut up at like me in your house. And I've let you into my house anyway.
Maybe we could just hire some insurance policy. I looked in the phone book and so that we could get back in our house, I saw we can hire Gale the gorilla. He's awesome.
Is he from the jungle?
Oh no. Oh
Hey,
my lands.
What's that? Don't you see it?
No, I don't see anything, but we're going to look for Gale the gorilla.
Doesn't that look like Bigfoot, that brown thing?
What brown thing?
The poop thingy?
Man, Gale really has a nice house.
This is
Yeah.
Gale.
Man, Gale the gorilla, he's nice. Hey, Gale the gorilla, you really let yourself go.
I know.
So, Gale insurance policies. Do you think you could help us pay our bills?
Do you think I'm fat? Oh yeah, of course I will. You fatty! I'm gonna kill you!
I never said anything about you being